Ready to unlock the power of real-time data transfer and seamless automation with Wati. Let's dive in and create your very own webhook URL. First, log into your Wati account. You'll be greeted by your main dashboard, your central hub for managing all things Wati. Next, locate the settings option. This is usually found on the left-hand navigation menu or at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed to the settings panel. Now that you are in settings, find and click on the API docs button. This section is where developers and power users come to unlock the full potential of Wati. Inside the API docs, find the webhooks section and select it. This is where you'll manage and create your webhook URLs. Once you're in the webhooks section, look for a button, usually labeled Create Webhook or Add New Webhook, and carefully click on it. This will initiate the webhook configuration process. A pop-up form will appear, prompting you to configure your webhook. Give your webhook a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. In the URL field, enter the URL of the external application or service where you want Wati to send data. This is where the magic happens. In the Event Triggers section, select the specific events in Wati that should trigger the webhook. For example, new message received or contact data. Choose carefully based on your automation needs. Finally, double-check all your settings and click Save or Create. Congratulations! Your webhook URL is now active. You'll now see your newly created webhook URL listed. You can copy this URL and paste it into your external application or service, enabling seamless data transfer and triggering real-time actions. You have successfully created your webhook URL in Wati.